So, if Roblox is not letting you follow users, don't worry, because this is actually a pretty common problem right now. A lot of players try to follow someone, and suddenly the button doesn't work, the request fails, or the option disappears completely. And honestly, it can be really confusing, especially when everything else on your account seems normal. But the good news is, most of the time, this issue is temporary and very easy to fix. So in this video, I'm going to show you the most common reasons this happens and exactly how to fix it step by step. All right, first, let's start with the most basic thing. Refresh the app or website completely, because sometimes the follow feature glitches temporarily and stops responding correctly so close. The app completely or refresh the browser page, then open Roblox again. Now, test the follow button one more time. A lot of times, that alone fixes the issue instantly. Now, another very common reason, internet connection problems. If your connection is unstable, certain account actions may fail, including following users. So here's the fix or start. Your Wi-Fi connection, or switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi, then try again. This helps refresh the connection to the platform servers. Now let's talk about account restrictions. Sometimes the issue comes from privacy settings, either on your account or on the other person's account. Some users limit who can follow them, especially younger accounts with stricter privacy settings. So if you can't follow one specific person, but you can follow others normally, the issue may actually be their settings. Now here's another important thing check. If your account has temporary restrictions, if you follow too many users too quickly, the platform may temporarily limit your actions to prevent spam behavior, and honestly, this happens more often than people realize. So if you've been rapidly following multiple users, stop for a while. Wait a few hours, then try again. Later, in many cases, the restriction disappears automatically. Now let's talk about updates. If your app version is outdated, certain features may stop working correctly, including social features like follows. So here's the fix. Open your App Store, check for updates, and install the latest version of Roblox after updating. Restart the app completely and test the feature again. Now, another very common issue, cache problems. Temporary files can sometimes create weird bugs inside the app, especially after updates. So if the follow button still isn't working, clear the app cache completely. Then, restart your device. After doing this, open Roblox again and try following someone one more time. Now, let's talk about browsers, because browser-related problems are also very common. If you're using Roblox on desktop, try switching browsers completely. Sometimes, certain extensions, cookies, or browser settings interfere with account features. So test the platform on another browser and see if the issue disappears. If it works normally there, then the problem was probably browser-related. Now, here's another thing. People ignore server issues. Sometimes Roblox itself is experiencing temporary problems, especially during busy hours or platform updates. And when that happens, features like follows, friends, or messaging may stop working correctly for a while. If nothing seems to work, wait a little, then try again later. Lot of times, the issue fixes itself automatically once the servers stabilize. Now let's be honest for a second. Most users immediately think their account is broken or banned, but usually the issue is something simple, like a temporary restriction, a connection issue, or a platform bug. So don't panic immediately. Go step by step, test each fix properly, and usually you'll find the problem pretty quickly. So to wrap this up, if Roblox is not letting you follow users in 2026, refresh the app, check your internet connection, update Roblox, clear cache, files, test another browser if needed, and wait a little if the platform servers are unstable, because in most cases, the problem is temporary and completely fixable. And once everything starts working normally again, you should be able to follow users without any issues.